In today's video, let me show you how to use the Airbnb's referral guests for travel credits. So you can simply refer guests so that you can get travel credits inside of Airbnb. In order to do that, you can head over to your profile, scroll down, and you'll be able to see the option which says refer a host. You can simply tap on this option, and then depending upon what you're trying to refer, whether it be home experiences or services, you can tap on one of these options. And depending upon what you refer, for example, if you refer a experience, you'll earn $50. If you refer a service, you'll be able to earn $100. So depending upon what you refer, you can simply tap on the copy referral link. Now before you do that, make sure you select the exact option and then only tap on copy. Now once you copy this link, you can send this link via any sort of platforms, whether it be social media, or you can also directly share it. Only once they sign up and complete the qualifying stay, you'll be able to earn travel credits, which you should be able to receive within 10 days of them checking out. So only if they complete and qualify the stay, you'll be able to receive your travel credits within 10 days. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.